Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst host to the Grok Star Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. More on that later. Here's a trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star Room on ISIS. ISIS Pharmaceutical. This is what it looked like at 4 o'clock on Monday. And it had downgradings and a report from the feds on some testing. What did it look like after opening? Bam! All the way down there, down 15.3%. I actually, in two pre-market trades, caught over 11% on its way down. So let's pull this up and stretch it out a bit and see what happened next. It started to go up, and now it's forming what we call a bear pullback. So it had run down and pulled up, and it was curling down. So I had to set an order just under 1120 to go short. Let's see what happened next. Bam! Look at that. Dropped all the way down here. But because there were restrictions on shorting at the time, it had to be on the uptick, so I didn't get filled until 1110 is where I am short from. Okay, let's see what happened after that. This $11, see this $11, it came down, and this could be possible support here. It's a third time, and then it started to kick up. All of my indicators were starting to turn up as well, and the market was heading up. I reversed my position right here at 1117, and I reversed from short to long. So now I'm long at 1117, and I was at minus 0.6% on the short. So now I'm long. Let's see what happened after that. Is it going to break this line of resistance? I was just a tad early. Normally, a more conservative way would be if it broke this 8 EMA possible resistance. There, it did break it there. And oh, and look at that. It broke the 20-period moving average as well. Let's pull it down here, see what's going to happen. And then look at that. It's taken off, taken off. Each one of these is almost 1%, by the way, each step up. And it kept up here. It hit its head here on 1170, which was some pre-market resistance and support. Pulled back here and dropped below the 8 EMA. And my stopped out there at 1151 for 3.0%. So these two trades, that was my short from here and reversed here, and then long from here back to here, was for a net of 2.4% in 22 minutes for the two trades. Well, these are some of the trades we're doing in the Grok Star Room, and this was just 2 of 13 trades that we had this morning for a net of 17.85% on all called trades. Now, if your trading isn't quite what you'd like it to be, well, we do have a mentoring program going on this weekend. It's online. You can do it right from the comfort of your own home. If you'd like more information about our mentoring program, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and over here to the upper right is mentoring. And the mentorship page, it discusses what it is, including some of the components of it. And there's even some testimonials here of people who have gone through the trading program. So don't take my word for it. See what impact it's had on their trading. You want more information? Fill out this form right here. Hit submit. We'll give you a call. See if it's appropriate for you to be in our mentoring program. We'll see if we have a fit. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember that anything can happen. You must be flexible as well as nimble in your trading. Trade safe.